radios no pueden ser usados en ningún momento. Las computadoras grandes deben ser apagadas y guardadas. Para aquellos pasajeros que están sentados en las salidas de emergencia, todos los aparatos electrónicos deben ser desenchufados. Gracias.
Excited to have you aboard, and we appreciate your attention as we demonstrate the safety features of this aircraft. FAA regulation requires you to follow the instructions of our crew member and comply with posted and lighted signs.
It's important to have your seatbelt on at all times. To fasten your seatbelt, slide the metal end into the buckle. Tighten by pulling the loose end of the strap. Lift the buckle to release. When the seatbelt sign is on, your seatbelt must be fastened low and tied across your lap. In case of unexpected turbulence, keep your seatbelt fastened, even when the seatbelt sign is off.
Please take a moment to look around in order to familiarize yourself with the aircraft. This Boeing 757 is equipped with 6 exit doors, 3 on each side of the aircraft. If the doors are open in an emergency, slide rafts will automatically inflate. In a water landing, slide rafts detach from the aircraft and are used as life rafts. You will also find an additional life raft located in an overhead bin at the overwing exits. There are also 4 window exits over the waist. When open, ramp slides will automatically inflate. If needed, lifelines are located in the window frames at the aft overwing exits. In a water landing, do not use the window exits unless advised by a crew member. All 10 exits are marked with overhead signs. As you locate the 2 exits nearest your seat, remember, they may be behind you.
If you are seated in an exit row, you may be asked to assist the crew during an evacuation. If you're unable or uncomfortable, please ask the flight attendant to be moved. If you must evacuate the aircraft, exit path lights on or near the floor will illuminate and guide you to the exit. Look for a change in color or an exit sign to indicate that you've reached an exit. Leave all carry-on bags behind. Please refer to the safety card near your seat for the operation of the exit doors on this aircraft.
If necessary, an oxygen mask will drop from above your seat. If the bag may not inflate while oxygen is flowing, make sure your mask is secured before helping others. Should you need it, you'll find a life vest equipped with a water-activated light and a pouch under, between, or next to your seat. When directed, pull the tab to remove the pouch. If present, remove the strap from around the pouch. Tear open the pouch, remove and unfold the vest. Slip it over your head, wrap the belt around your waist, and secure it to the buckle in front. Pull the loose end to tighten. Inflate your vest just prior to exiting the aircraft by pulling down sharply on the red tab. You can also inflate the vest by blowing into the tube. This aircraft is also equipped with infant life vests, which will be distributed if necessary.
Smoking of any kind, including e-cigarettes, is never allowed on the aircraft. FAA regulations prohibit tampering with, disabling, or destroying laboratory smoke detectors. U.S. law also requires passengers to comply with lighted signs and crew member instructions.
Make sure you've switched all smartphones, tablets, and e-readers to airplane mode. To taxi, takeoff, and landing, large electronic devices must be turned off and stowed. For international destinations, your flight attendants will advise you if it's necessary to turn off and stow your device.
We'll be taking off soon. Please review the safety card located near your seat. Stow your tray table, food and beverages,
seat back is upright and your seatbelt is securely fastened. Please place your personal item under the seat in front of you. At United, we're connecting people, uniting the world, and doing it safely. From all of us, thank you and enjoy your flight.
At this time, ladies and gentlemen, we'd like you to please make sure your window shades are open for takeoff and landing. And to further protect your safety, both flight attendants and customers are wearing a protective covering on all United flights. In the event oxygen is needed on today's flight, remove face coverings before putting on your oxygen mask. Once again, thank you. Welcome aboard. Make sure your mask is covering your nose and mouth, and your window shades are open for takeoff and landing. Thank you again.
Flight attendants, please be seated for departure.
Go out there, let's get it done. The adrenaline is pumping. The stakes are very high with each shipment. Time is critical. As soon as that door opens up on aircraft, it's go time.
United's operation is uniquely qualified to handle HVAC changes in a safe and reliable way.
Keep it coming. Keep it coming.